Hello everyone, my name is Vedant Zope and I am a student of Metallurgical and Material Science Engineering and I am from section 12. My roll number is 20MT10060 and owing to my interests in car I have made this 4-stroke engine as my DIY project. I already had SolidWorks installed before and in my laptop, so I have made my project in SolidWorks. So I'll go on and briefly explain how I went and made all this. So this is basically made up of four parts: the piston, this connecting rod, the crankshaft, and this outer casing, which I've made individually and then assembled them in the end. So I'll start with piston. So this is the piston. To make the piston, what I actually did was use the revolve boss base feature. So this is the sketch. I actually made the sketch and then revolve the sketch around this middle axis so that I get the piston. So on revolving it we get something like this, and these two holes were made by using extruded cut feature after making the piston. So and now coming to the connecting rod. The connecting rod was very easy to make as we only had to make the sketch and then extrude it to a certain height. This groove was also made by using the extruded cut feature. Now coming to the outer casing. For making the outer casing, I did was made the sketch first and then extruded it. Same was this case for this below part, and these grooves were made by me using the linear pattern technique. I only had to make one of these groove and then use the linear component pattern technique to mimic it all towards the up. Now coming to the crankshaft. The crankshaft part was a little complex to make, so I started with this plate. I extruded it and then used a mirror plane about and mirrored this crankshaft about this plane to get this part. Then I used the offset and entity feature and shifted the sketch by some distance and then rotated the sketch by 180 degree and then extruded it to get this part, and same for used mirror to get this. I did this simultaneously 2 times to get this entire crankshaft. Now I have all the parts ready and in the end I assembled them. So I've assembled them, mated them in such a way that this piston is free to move along this line, along this groove, and this crankshaft is free to rotate about this axis. I have also changed appearances from here to make it look more visually appealing. I've I've used nickel, brass, titanium and copper colorings to make it look like real engine. So I have also made a little animation to show my project. So this was it. I have already converted my engine to mesh and imported it to Cura. So this is the mesh body. Now coming to Cura. So here we can see, before I wanted to print all the parts individually and then assemble it, but due to time constraint it was going far beyond 8 hours, so I have imported whole engine as single part and then printed it. So here we can see printing settings. The filament thickness is 0.1 mm, infill density is 20%, printing temperature is 200 degrees Celsius, build plate temperature is 60 degrees Celsius, and the printing speed is 60 millimeter per second. So here we can see how the printing goes on. It starts with the base all towards the up, and this was my DIY project. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.